Yan, start tayo ngayon sa frame. Replacement frame from Canyon. Canyon Torque 2021 mullet. Fabio Wibner edition. Then, suspension. Front suspension, Öhlins RXF 36 M2. And then for the rear suspension, meron tayong TTX 250 by 75. So, mahaba-haba siya. Kasi pang downhill yung setup ng suspension. Then cockpit. So ito yung sa original na Canyon. Yan. Original na Canyon G5. Ano ba? Dropper post G2 from Canyon. Then saddle fabric. Crankset Descendant GX 12 speed. So yan. Thank you. Oh, by the way, yung brakes natin, RST G2. So, maganda siya, adjustable for good braking power. So, for the tires, meron tayong 29er Assegai Maxxis. And then, sa likod natin, Minion DHR2, 27.5. So, yun nga, mullet setup siya. Tapos yung rims natin is DT Swiss EX 511. Ayan, front and rear. Ayan. So, yun, that's all. Bike check natin for today. So far yung ibang parts niya galing dun sa old frame natin. So, yung old frame andito sa link na to sa taas, sa gilid. Alright. And shoutout nga pala sa gumawa ng sticker natin na nasa barko ngayon, nag-enjoy. So, safe travel to you, brother. Time to the moving to the baseline. Let me see you wind up your waistline. The party you full up like a daytime. Girl, let me see you wind your waist. One bad to me now, girl, let me see you wind your waist. One bad to me now. Let's go! Tapos na. Ha? Tagal ba dapat? Oo. Gulong hindi, tsaka rims. Sige. Okay na. Sige, group set ako, sabi na. Sige, ano yan, gulong, rims. Bike check, 1, 2, 3. Go? Okay, bike check, 1, 2, 3. Yung mga audience, may mga audience tayo doon. Yeah, yung old frame, andito yung link sa taas. Dito sa link.
Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good, where my hopping done at. Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk on play. But you better not come home like this. Street lights, we was young racing. Carefree was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night, to the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? deserve a day. You deserve a day off. Working for too long, gotta keep back. Turn my cell phone off, wait till I get back. Ooh, yeah, this that. Living my life with no regrets. So I titled, holy moly, guacamole in my pockets. What a blessing. Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good. Where my hopping done at? Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk, go play. But you better not come home like that. Street life. We was young, racing. Street life. Carefree was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna have fun. Come and pick me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night, till the sunrise. Pop back cool, get ready for the ride. Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? Don't it feel good? How you feel? Turn it up a notch, pop up clean room. Having a celebration, take a trip vacation. You deserve a day, you deserve a day off. Working for too long, gotta keep back. Turn my cell phone off, wait till I get back. Ooh, yeah, this that. Living my life with no regrets. So I titled, pull up on me. We did chillin' at the spot. Anytime, pull up on me. We did coolin', the chill spot. Party time. I just wanna have fun. Come and beat me up, meet me at the spot. Up all night till the sunrise. Pop back cool.
Ay, ba't dito ka naman?
Gonna feel good. Gonna feel.
May lag na ako. Wait. Ano?
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.